Meaning of CV. CV. CV.
CV. CV. CV stands for Curriculum Vitae, which is a Latin term that translates to course of life. In general, a CV is a comprehensive document that describes a person's education, work experience, achievements, and skills. It is commonly used in academic and research settings, as well as in international job applications. A well-written CV should highlight a person's qualifications and accomplishments in a clear and concise manner, providing potential employers with a comprehensive overview of their abilities and career history. Overall, a CV is an essential tool for anyone seeking employment or professional opportunities.